Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And as you guys know, I have been using that DJI Action 2 for quite a while now, shooting vlogs, travel vlogs, motor vlogs and whatnot. And I really love the quality of this camera according to its price point. So today in this video, I'm going to share some tips and settings I use to shoot high quality videos with the DJI Action 2. So let's dive in.
The first one is grid. A simple yet powerful setting to turn on is the grid. Go to the settings, scroll down and enable grid. This helps to frame your subject better and follow compositions. A well-framed shot can make a huge difference in your cinematic footage. The second one is video compression. Head over to video compression in the settings and you will find two options: compatibility, which is H.264, and efficiency, which is H.265. Choose efficiency because it allows you to shoot high quality video while using less storage space. This is especially useful for longer recordings. Third one is anti-flicker. Flickering lights can ruin your shots. To avoid this, go to the settings and turn anti-flicker to auto. This automatically adjusts your camera to remove flickering in different lighting conditions, making your footage look smooth and professional. Number 4. Pro mode. To unlock the full potential of DJI Action 2, turn on Pro mode. Just swipe down for the quick menu and enable Pro. Then swipe from the right to left to access more controls. Here's what I recommend. White balance, keep it in auto for general use or adjust manually in tricky lighting conditions. Exposure in bright daylight, set it between -0.3 to 0.7. Why? Because recovering shadow is easier than fixing clipped highlights, which can be lost forever. Number 5. Decine-alike for better color grading. To get the best possible color out of your DJI Action 2, use Decine-alike. It's a flat color profile that captures more detail and dynamic range, making your footage look more cinematic when you edit it later. It may look a bit dull straight out of your camera, but trust me, with a little color correction, your footage will pop. And that's it guys. There are my go-to settings for shooting high quality cinematic footage with the DJI Action 2. It's an easy to use camera, and if you keep these simple basic things in mind, you will capture stunning videos in no time. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, ta-da.